The police came when we were in Gatumene Hotel. They were trying to block us. We actually abandoned our vehicles and rode border borders. It's only when they followed us and left the hotel that our vehicles were able to move out. But we were able to go through addressing people in the towns that Honorable Munyavu mentioned to you. They would needlessly throw tear gas in an act of cowardice, because when people are just talking and associating and expressing their will and they're not violent, there's no need to throw tear gas. So they've been following us the whole day, and around 3:30 they blocked us at this junction behind this hotel to prevent us to go from Meru town. Mr. Toroitich, who appears to be commanding this battalion you see behind, telling us that we are not welcome in Meru. I asked him which law bars me or any of my colleagues from coming to Meru. He says we did not tell them. I don't know since when Meru became a police county where you have to notify the police when you are entering Meru. What they have done is illegal, it's unconstitutional. They have thrown tear gas to the three of us. There was no crowd, just the three of us at short range, injuring Honorable Munya on the ear where the tear gas landed, and physically pushing us to prevent us from getting onto the main road. It's a very sad day, and I wonder why the Ruto illegitimate regime is afraid of people of Kenya talking to one another. We will be back. We will not agree to be barred from associating. And I want to congratulate Kenyans. Today, the demonstrations were organic and viral in most areas of our country. Let my